Today we start the lesson Alice Feels Puzzled, and this story is a part of the book Alice Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Just like when we read the lesson Heidi, I told you that Heidi lesson is a part of the main book Heidi. Similarly, this story Alice Feels Puzzled is part of the story Alice Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. This is the main book and from which this is the part. Alice slides down a rabbit hole to find herself in a low, long hallway lined with locked doors. She comes upon a tiny door that she opens with a golden key she finds on a table. Through this door, she sees a beautiful garden. Now, all this is very imaginary. These things that you are reading are very imaginary things. Here, like in a dream, when you dream sometimes and you see all sorts of imaginary things, जैसा रियल में नहीं होता है उस तरह की कुछ चीज़ें कभी कभी ड्रीम्स में देखते हो. इन द सेम वे एलिस was seeing all this that she has gone inside a rabbit's hole, and when rabbits makes the burrow in the ground, उस होल के अंदर से रैबिट के बनाए हुए एक गड्ढे के अंदर वो चली जाती है और वहाँ जाकर वो देखती है कि वो एक लॉन्ग हॉलवे में पहुँच गई है और जिसमें बहुत सारे डोर्स बने हुए हैं. लाइक इन योर स्कूल यू हैव क्लासरूम्स इन अ रो एंड ऑल द डोर्स आर देयर. इन द सेम वे कुछ वैसा ही लॉन्ग हॉलवे में वो पहुंच जाती है और जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लॉक्ड डोर्स होते हैं. फिर वो शी कम्स अपॉन ए टाइनी डोर. टाइनी मीन्स वेरी स्मॉल. एक छोटे से डोर के पास वो पहुंचती है और फिर वहाँ एक टेबल होता है जिस पे गोल्डन की रखी होती है. गोल्डन की मीन्स चाबी, जिससे वो उस छोटे से टाइनी डोर को ओपन करती है. और जब वो उस डोर में से अपना हेड निकाल कर देखती है तो वो क्या देखती है, वहाँ एक ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन है. हाउएवर द डोर इज़ टू स्मॉल फॉर हर टू इवन पुट हर हेड थ्रू इट. सो एवरीथिंग हियर वॉज वेरी स्मॉल and the door was also very small, so small that Alice could not take out her head out of the door. डोर से बाहर वो अपना हेड भी नहीं निकाल सकती थी, इतना स्मॉल डोर था. Then she drinks something tasty which causes her to shrink. फिर वहाँ कुछ टेस्टी सा रखा होता है जिसे वो ड्रिंक करती है और फिर वो श्रिंक हो जाती है. श्रिंक मीन्स सिकुड़ के बिल्कुल छोटी सी हो जाती है. She can now go through the door, but she realizes that she has left the key on the table. Okay. अब वो डोर पे से निकल सकती है, बट उसे रियलाइज़ होता है जैसे वो डोर से बाहर आती है तो उसे रियलाइज़ होता है कि जो चाबी थी वो तो उसने टेबल पे ही छोड़ दिया है. नाउ शी ईट्स अ केक मार्क्ड ईट मी. फिर वहाँ उसे एक केक रखा दिखता है जिस पे लिखा रहता है ईट मी, मुझे खाओ. एंड बिगिन्स टू ग्रो टॉल रैपिडली. जैसे ही वो उस केक को खाती है तो वो टॉल 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 एंड टॉल शी कीप्स ऑन ग्रोइंग. नाउ हाउ डज एलिस फील? So in the story of Alice this happens that sometimes she shrinks and become very small, very tiny, and sometimes she eats something and she starts growing taller. Now the story begins. How did Alice feel when all this was happening? Curiouser and curiouser, cried Alice. She was so surprised that for the moment she quite forgot how to speak good English. Alice was very surprised by all this that was happening. Sometimes she was growing tall and sometimes becoming very short. And now I am opening out like the largest telescope that ever was. Goodbye, feet. When she looked down at her feet, they seemed to be almost out of sight. They were getting so far off. So what happened? she felt like she is becoming taller and taller, like a telescope, like the biggest telescope ever was. And she said goodbye to her feet, because when she grew taller and she was looking towards her feet, her head and feet was in a big distance. Her feet had become out of sight for her. दिखना धीरे धीरे बंद हो गए feet. इतने दूर हो गया उसका head और उसका feet, because she was growing taller. Oh, my poor little feet, I wonder who will put on your shoes and stockings for you now, dears, thought Alice. I am sure I shan't be able. I shall be a great deal too far off to trouble myself about you. You must manage the best way you can. Now she is saying that अब मैं तो शूज़ और स्टॉकिंग्स पहना नहीं पाऊँगी फीट तुम्हें, because I have become so far from you, so you manage yourself. She is talking to her feet, that you manage yourself now, that how will you put on your stockings and your shoes. However, I must be kind to them, or perhaps they won't walk the way I want to go. Let me see, I will give them a new pair of boots every Christmas. Now she thinks, अगर ऐसा बोल दूंगी कि अपने आप अपना काम करो, then what will happen? The feet will not listen to me. Wherever I want to go, they will not go that side. So she tries to make up for it, and she says, okay, in this Christmas, I will buy a new pair of boots. तो अपने feet को पहले तो उसने कह दिया that you look for yourself, but then she realized कि if I make this my pair of feet unhappy, then they will not listen to me. So to make them happy, she said that I will buy you a new pair of boots every Christmas. Alice went on planning how she would manage it. They must go by the carrier, she thought, and how funny it will seem sending presents to one's own feet. How odd the directions will look. Oh dear, what nonsense I am thinking, Alice cried out aloud. So first she was planning that how she will send the boots to her feet, because the distance between her head and feet had become so much. Then she decides she will send it by a carrier. Then she thinks how funny it will look that you are sending gift to your own feet, that also by carrier. Then she realizes that all these things that she is thinking is all nonsense, without any sense, rubbish things. Oh dear, what nonsense I am thinking, Alice cried out aloud. Just then her head struck against the roof of the hall. Why her head struck against the roof of the hall? Because she was growing taller and taller and taller, so her head reached the roof and it struck. In fact, she was now more than 9 feet high, and she at once picked up the little golden key. She hurried off to the garden door. So she took the key that she has left on the table and she reached the garden door. Poor Alice, she could only lie on one side and look at the garden with one eye to get through the door was more hopeless than ever. She sat down and began to cry. What happened now? She has become so much tall that now it was not possible for her to go back from that door. Only from one eye she could see from that door, but it was not possible her, as she had grown very tall and the door of the garden was very small, as you can see in the picture. So she sat down and began to cry. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, said Alice to herself. A big girl like you should not keep on crying in this way. Stop this moment, I tell you. Now she is again talking to herself. खुद से बात कर रही है कि ऐसे नहीं रोते हैं, बड़े बच्चे ऐसे नहीं रोते हैं. Stop crying, she is telling to herself. But she went on all the same, shedding gallons of tears until there was a large pool about 4 inches deep all around her. So lots of tears she had shed. बहुत सारे आंसू उसने गिराए और उसके चारों तरफ एक बड़ा सा पूल बन गया which was 4 inches deep. After some time she heard a little pattering of feet in the distance and she hastily dried her eyes to see what was coming. It was the white rabbit returning splendidly dressed with a pair of white gloves in one hand and a large fan in the other. So she heard a little pattering sound of feet. Feet की आवाज़ आई उसे किसी की. उसने देखा तो एक रैबिट था जो बहुत जल्दी में था और ही वॉज ड्रेस्ड स्प्लेंडिडली. स्प्लेंडिडली मीन्स बहुत अच्छे से उसने एक पार्टी की तरह ड्रेसअप किया हुआ था. एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो having a pair of white gloves in one hand. He was holding his gloves and on the other hand he was holding a large fan, as you can see in the picture. And he came trotting along in a great hurry, muttering to himself as he came. Now rabbit was in great hurry, बहुत जल्दी में था और जब वो आया तो रैबिट अपने आप से कुछ बोलते हुए आया. Oh the duchess, oh won't she be angry if I have kept her waiting. तो वो किसी से मिलने जा रहा था. किससे मिलने जा रहा था? डचेस. लाइक यू हैव रेड इन द बुक, ड्यूक, डचेस. डचेस मीन्स द लेडी, द वाइफ ऑफ ड्यूक हु इज़ होल्डिंग अ वेरी हाई पोजिशन, जस्ट लाइक रानी कह सकते हो, छोटी सी प्लेस की रानी. नाउ he was going to meet some duchess and he was saying that if he becomes late, if he gets late, the duchess will be angry. Alice felt so desperate that she was ready to ask for help from anyone. When the rabbit came near her, she began to say in a low, timid voice. Timid voice means डरे डरे आवाज़ से, धीमी आवाज़ से वो उसने कहा, If you please, sir. The rabbit started violently, dropped the white gloves and the fan, and scurried away in the darkness. जैसे एलिस ने सोचा कि इस रैबिट से मदद मांग ली जाए, सो उसने जैसी कोशिश की रैबिट से बात करने की, शी सेड इफ़ यू प्लीज़ सर. इतना कहते ही रैबिट ने अपने ग्लव्स और अपने फ़ैन वहीं ड्रॉप कर दिया, गिरा दिया. एंड ही स्करीड अवे इन द डार्कनेस. स्करीड अवे मीन्स रैन अवे इन अ वेरी हरिड वे इन द डार्कनेस. अंधेरे में जाकर छुप गया. एलिस पिक्ड अप द फैन एंड ग्लव्स एंड एज द हॉल वॉज वेरी हॉट शी स्टार्टेड फैनिंग हर सेल्फ. एलिस को गर्मी लगी रही थी तो एलिस ने फ़ैन से खुद को हवा करने स्टार्ट की. शी सेड टू हर सेल्फ, डियर डियर हाउ क्वियर एवरीथिंग इज़ टुडे. कितना अजीब है सब कुछ आज. आई वंडर इफ आई हैव बीन चेंज्ड इन द नाइट. लेट मी थिंक. वॉज आई द सेम व्हेन आई गॉट अप दिस मॉर्निंग. नाउ अगेन शी हैज स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू हर सेल्फ. वो कह रही है कि लगता है रात में मैं किसी से चेंज हो गई हूँ, मैं कोई और बन गई हूँ, मैं एलिस नहीं हूँ. नाउ शी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि जब मैं सुबह उठी थी तब मैं क्या एलिस ही थी या कोई और थी. आई थिंक आई कैन रिमेंबर फीलिंग अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. वो सोची आज जब मैं सुबह उठी थी कुछ डिफरेंट हुआ था मेरे साथ. बट इफ आई एम नॉट द सेम द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इन द वर्ल्ड एम आई. दैट्स द ग्रेट पजल. वो कह रही है कि अगर मैं एलिस नहीं हूँ तो फिर मैं हूँ कौन. दैट इज़ अ बिग पजल. Then she began thinking about all the children she knew. फिर वो सारे बच्चे जिन्हें वो जानती थी उनके बारे में सोचने लगी वो. Especially those who were the same age as herself to see if she could have been changed into any of them. फिर वो अपने ही हम उम्र बच्चों के बारे में सोचने लगी, the children of her age, that out of those children to whom she has turned into, उनमें से वो कौन सा वाला बच्चा बन गई है. अगर वो एलिस नहीं है तो फिर वो किस में चेंज हो गई है. I am sure I am not Ada, she said, for her hair goes into such long ringlets and mine doesn't go in ringlets at all. I am sure I can't be Mabel, for I know all sorts of things and she knows too little. First she thought about Ada and she said that Ada's hair is a very curly hair, rings form होते हैं उसके hair में, but मेरे hair में तो ringlets नहीं है. So I am not Ada. Then she next thinks about Mabel. कि मैं Mabel भी नहीं हो सकती because Mabel doesn't know anything. Mabel को कुछ नहीं आता पर मुझे तो बहुत कुछ आता है. Besides, she is she and I am I. How puzzling it all is. I wonder if I know all the things I used to know. Let's try geography. अब वो सोच रही है मैं चेक करती हूँ कि मुझे जो जो आते थे पहले वो मुझे अभी भी आता है या नहीं. So first she thought of checking her geography. London is the capital of Paris and Paris is the capital of Rome and Rome, no, that's all wrong. I am certain I must have been changed to Mabel. अब उसे लगता है उसकी ज्योग्राफी में प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, रॉन्ग आंसर्स कह रही है, मतलब वो शायद मेबल बन गई है जिसे कुछ नहीं आता है. Alice's eyes filled with tears and she said to herself, I must be Mabel after all. Now I have made up my mind about it. If I am Mabel, I will stay down here. अब वो सोच रही है कि अगर मैं मेबल में कन्वर्ट हो गई हूँ, एक बुद्धू लड़की में कन्वर्ट हो गई हूँ, तो फिर मैं वापस नहीं जाऊँगी. आई विल स्टे हियर ओनली. As she said this, she looked down at her hands and was surprised to see that she had put on one of the white rabbit's little white gloves while she was talking. ऐसा कहते कहते उसने अपने हैंड की तरफ देखा तो उसने देखा कि उसने लिटिल वाइट रैबिट के एक ग्लव्स अपने एक हैंड में डाल लिए थे. How could I have done that? She thought. I must be growing small again. उसने कहा ये कैसे ये इतना छोटा सा ग्लव्स मेरे हैंड में फिट हो गया, मैं तो बहुत बड़ी हो गई थी. I had grown so taller that my head was touching the roof. Then how this little tiny gloves is fit in my hand? क्या मैं फिर से छोटी हो रही हूँ? She got up and went to the table. तो फिर से उसी टेबल के पास गई जिससे पहले वो बहुत टॉल हो गई थी. फिर से उसी टेबल के पास वो गई अपनी हाइट मेजर करने के लिए. And found that as nearly as she could guess, she was now about 2 feet high. उस वक्त वो 9 feet tall हो गई थी और अभी वो 2 feet was her height now. And was going on shrinking rapidly. और अभी भी वो और small होती जा रही थी. Do you know how much is 2 feet? 2 feet is equals to your 2 big scales, 24 inches. So now she was thinking कि ये 2 feet हो चुकी है और भी छोटी होती जा रही थी. She soon found out that the cause of this was the fan she was holding. She dropped it hastily just in time to avoid shrinking away altogether. क्यों छोटी होती जा रही थी वो? उसने जो रैबिट का फ़ैन लिया था जिससे वो अपने आप को फ़ैन कर रही थी. Because of that she had started shrinking down. और श्रिंक होते होते वो 2 feet रह गई थी, अभी वो और श्रिंक हो रही थी. अगर उसने फ़ैन करना बंद नहीं किया होता तो वो बिल्कुल श्रिंक होकर गायब हो जाती. That was a narrow escape, said Alice, a good deal frightened at the sudden change, but very glad to find herself still in existence. Now I must go to the garden. अभी वो डिसाइड करती है कि I am saved, मैं और छोटी नहीं हुई वरना गायब हो जाती. And now she decides to go to the garden because now she was 2 feet and she could go out of the door, small door. She ran with full speed back to the small door. Up till here it is in this story because this is a part of a big book, Alice in the Wonderland, and the writer of that is Lewis Carroll. So this is our story, and next day I will tell you the question answers and other exercises. Go through the video and try to find out the meaning of difficult words from the book, and if you have any doubts ask me.